Top 3 fruits that repair brain cells and memory while you sleep. Most people believe that memory loss happens suddenly, but the truth is far more frightening. It begins in silence. First you forget a word, then an appointment, then you walk into a room and have no idea why. And the most shocking part? For millions of people, this process doesn't begin during the day. It begins at night. While you sleep, your brain doesn't rest. It goes into emergency mode, clearing toxins, repairing connections, and reorganizing your memories. But there's a serious problem almost no one tells you about. If your brain doesn't receive the right nutrients, this repair system simply fails. Inflammation increases, oxidative stress attacks, and night after night, thousands of neurons are being silently damaged. This is not just aging. In most cases, it's nutritional neglect. An older brain is not broken. It's starving, exactly when it needs regeneration the most. And here's the most dangerous part. What you eat before bed may be either speeding up your mental recovery or destroying your memory while you sleep. But the good news is that the solution is much simpler than you think. They're not expensive medications. They're not miracle treatments. They're simply foods your brain recognizes, accepts, and knows how to use. And chances are, several of them are already there in your kitchen right now. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to Senior Health Vitality. By joining our community, you'll get regular tips, advice, and proven strategies to stay healthy, strong, and full of energy every day. Take bananas, for example. They are often dismissed as basic, but for the aging brain, they are powerful. Bananas provide vitamin B6, which your brain needs to produce serotonin, dopamine, and GABA. These neurotransmitters are essential not just for mood, but for memory formation and mental clarity. As we age, production slows. That's when thoughts feel scattered and mornings feel foggy. Eating a ripe banana in the evening helps replenish those chemical pathways before sleep begins. Bananas also contain magnesium, a mineral that calms overactive neurons and supports deep sleep. Deep sleep is where memory consolidation and cellular repair happen. Add to that tryptophan, which supports melatonin production, and you create the ideal internal environment for overnight brain recovery. Not stimulation, restoration. If bananas help refuel the brain, apples help clean it. Over time, the brain accumulates oxidative waste that interferes with communication between neurons. Apples are rich in antioxidants, especially quercetin, concentrated in the peel. This compound helps reduce inflammation in memory-related brain regions and protects neurons from further damage. Apples also work through the gut. Their soluble fiber feeds beneficial bacteria that produce compounds linked to brain health. This gut-brain connection plays a direct role in memory, focus, and learning. When you eat an apple in the early evening, you're not just feeding your stomach. You're triggering a chain reaction that supports neuroprotection during sleep. Then there are oranges. Often thought of only as immune boosters, oranges are critical for the brain. Vitamin C is one of the brain's most important antioxidants, yet it cannot be stored. That means regular intake matters, especially before sleep. Vitamin C supports dopamine and norepinephrine production, protects the blood-brain barrier, and helps prevent oxidative damage while the brain clears waste overnight. Oranges also contain hesperidin, a flavonoid shown to improve cerebral blood flow. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reach neurons at the exact time they need them most. During sleep, this supports the brain's natural cleansing process and protects long-term cognitive function. What makes these fruits truly effective is timing. The goal is not to eat heavily before bed, but to prime the brain 1 to 2 hours in advance. A small banana about an hour before sleep. An apple earlier in the evening. A few orange segments with or after dinner. Simple, consistent, and gentle on digestion. Consistency is what turns nourishment into protection. The brain thrives on rhythm. When you give it the same signals each night, it responds with better sleep efficiency, stronger memory consolidation, and clearer mornings. This isn't about perfection. It's about giving your brain what it needs to do the work it was designed to do. You are not losing yourself. You are not powerless. Your brain is still capable of repair, adaptation, and clarity. It just needs support. Memory is not only about recalling facts. It's about maintaining independence, confidence, and connection. And sometimes, protecting that future begins with the simplest choice you can make tonight. If you found this video helpful and want more simple, science-based tips to support your heart and overall health, make sure to hit the subscribe button and join our community. By subscribing, you'll never miss a video that can help you live stronger, longer, and healthier.